Hello, energetic people. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Energetic Minds. So, in this series of Java Cool Concepts, we are learning Java concepts with the help of programs. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to print the variables. So, let's begin. So, we can see I have I have created a class with the name printing. So the file name will also be printing. So printing.java, the class name as it is a main class. So the file name is also be will also be printing.java. So this is the main method. In this method we are going to write. First let us take int number equals to 42. Next double pi equals to 3.14159. String name equals to Alice. So we have taken the three variables. First one is number. We are storing 42 in this number variable. Then 3.14159, this value is being stored in pi. So this is double. What this double pi means? Double, we are declaring and initializing a double variable. Okay, and the name of it is pi. Next is string name. Always remember S should be in caps. So string name equals to Alice. Here we are declaring and initializing a string variable. Now we will be printing it. So how we can print? System.out.println the number is concatenation operator number. What is this? It is printing a string concatenated with the value of number. Next one, we can copy paste this. Here we are going to print the value of pi. The value of pi is, what is the variable name? Pi, pi. Okay, so here we are printing a string concatenated with the value of pi. Next, so we are going to print the name. How we can write is hello, comma, we can write here name. That's it. So closing braces, two closing braces. Let us run this program. So you can see the number is 42. The value of pi is 3.14159 and hello Alice. any name we can give. So in this video we have learned how to print the variables. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, do share, comment and forget not to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.